In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix WhatsApp call link not working. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check for app updates. So head over to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app WhatsApp. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Also check your internet connection. Ensure you have stable internet connection. Next up, launch WhatsApp. Now swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Once you launch App Switcher, remove the WhatsApp, then again relaunch it. Likewise, restart your phone and try opening the call link again. Next thing you want to do is ensure the call link has not expired and that you were signed in with the correct WhatsApp account. If needed, ask the sender to create and share a new call link. If the problem still is not fixed, you can completely delete WhatsApp from your device and reinstall it. Press and hold on the WhatsApp, click on Remove App, click on Delete. Then head over to App Store or Play Store, search for WhatsApp and install it. And that's it. By following these steps, your link should work. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.